there beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing really fabulous. So in this video you will come across the boots or block heel boots. I hope you will love it. The patterns are really amazing. You will come across lots of kind of patterns of fabric that have been used in to make this kind of boots are really amazing, and the patterns are really gorgeous, and you can just have an idea regarding this, that which you wanna purchase or buy next. And if you like this video, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Share with your cousins and friends who love watching such kind of fashion related updates. See you next time. Till then, stay smiling. Bye bye.